In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a barbell pronated bicep curl. Now, it's all the same cues as your normal bicep curl with a barbell. However, you're going to have a pronated grip. And that simply means having a palm down grip when you do the exercise, as opposed to a palm up grip. Now, firstly, what I want you to do is you're going to pick up the barbell you're using. You can use one of these pre-made bars like I'm using, or you can use the big Olympic bar in the gym. I'm going to pick up the bar with a nice straight back. And what I want you to notice here is I've got my feet hip width apart, my shoulders back, elbows into the sides. I'm gripping into the bar hard to make sure that my wrists are nice and neutral as I come up and slowly back down. All of this movement is being completed by flexion of the elbow. So I'm making sure that I'm not swinging the weight up, and I'm also making sure that I'm slowly lowering the weight and raising the bar under control. That's how to do a pronated bicep curl. You keep your palms down, hip width apart stance, shoulders back, elbows into the body, and then bring the bar into flexion of the elbow and slowly back down for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.